So we're talking about economic assumptions. We talk about consumer being rational. Consumer is going to be rational, not because of other people's decisions. In as much as they are making a choice as a consumer, you have to make a rational choice. And making a rational choice means you've made a choice to choose
your happiest.
That makes you happy, that you're going to derive the maximum satisfaction from. So if at the end of it you buy a product or you're given a service that you are unhappy about, that means you have taken an irrational decision. Okay. So for consumers to make a choice, they said consumers aim to maximize benefits. So whenever you want to buy as a consumer, whenever you want to buy, you are buying because you feel there's benefit in consuming such products. So if I'm buying a phone, I'm buying that phone because of the potential benefit I'm going to enjoy using that phone. So for consumers, they said, when making economic decisions, economists assume that consumers will always choose a course of action that gives them the greatest satisfaction. That is to maximize benefit. But maximizing benefit is not the only way in which consumers make decisions about. So consumers can be rational when it comes to benefit, what is going to benefit them, what the price is, and how the quality is about. So if consumers are, they said, if a consumer is faced with buying exactly the same product from 3 different suppliers, the consumers will always buy from the supplier that offers the cheapest price. Here, consumers feel that product A, product B, product C is going to give the same satisfaction. So the next thing consumers are going to do is to check which one is offering the cheapest. If it's 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, consumers, to be a rational consumer, will choose 1.1. That's the cheapest price. But if the price are the same, the benefits to be derived are the same, the next thing consumers will think about is the quality. That is what they're saying here. They said if a consumer is faced with buying a product from 3 different suppliers at the same price, the consumer will buy the best quality product. So here, consumer is filled with choices about quality because price is not part of it anymore. So that's about consumers. So consumers will think about maximizing benefit, think about the quality of the product, and think about the cheapest price. This is a rational consumer. So for every rational consumer, it thinks about comparing the benefit that can be derived from consumption, comparing the price that can be the cheapest, and comparing the quality that can be the highest. I think it's clear. Then we'll go to businesses. For businesses, what do businesses aim at? They aim at maximizing profit. So when business owner makes a decision, they always choose the course of action that has the best financial results. This is because economists assume that business owners will want to make as much profit as possible. Owners are assumed to be rational when making financial decisions about their businesses. 2 examples are outlined. So for owners of the business, they said if a business owner can buy some raw materials from 3 different suppliers, the owner will always buy the cheapest available as long as the quality is the same. To pay more for raw materials than is necessary would be irrational. So for producers or businesses to think rationally, they have to think about the cost of raw materials. So buying a raw material that is cheaper means, and with quality, means that you are rational as a business owner. But buying raw materials that are expensive, where you can still buy, where there are others that are cheaper, that makes you an irrational producer. Is it clear? So when setting a price for a product, a business owner will always choose the highest price that the market can stand. So for example, if a business owner can sell a product for €5 in the market, that owner would not charge 4.5. This would be irrational. By charging the highest possible price, business owners will maximize revenue and therefore maximizing their profits. Economists assume that business owners will always do this. So the difference between consumers and producers is this. For consumers, they want to maximize benefit, they want the highest quality possible, and they want the cheapest price. For producers, they want the lowest or cheapest raw material, and they want the highest of all prices so that they can maximize profit. I think the difference between rational consumer and rational business owner is clear. Any question about that? Any question? No. Okay.